There are three primary plate tectonic boundaries: the transform boundary, divergent boundary, and the convergent boundary. This is the transform boundary where two plates slide up against each other. That causes earthquakes. This is the San Andreas fault line. It stretches 800 miles across California, and each year its slippage is about 1.5 inches that it moves every year. This is known as the convergent boundary, where two plates go forward against each other and sometimes creating a mountain or something. Here is an example of a convergent boundary where two plates, or maybe an earthquake, may have caused the plates to smush against each other. Sometimes during the convergent boundary earthquake, the lesser massive plate goes under the other massive plate, which is called a subductive. This is the divergent boundary, where two plates slide away from each other and causing a crack in the Earth's lithosphere. So yeah. Oh, here's an example. Iceland is a divergent boundary where there's a crack in the ice and it's splitting apart. This is a convection boundary where magma underneath the surface, usually underwater, is heating up in the core, and it comes up. And as it comes up, it cools off in the water and pushes apart the landmass, and making this widespread and sometimes more waves. And yeah. What that is called is an ocean spread if it's underwater. And for an example, as you can see, there the yellow parts of the ocean is the ocean spread. The crust of our Earth is so beautiful, and what we would call that is a lithosphere. Lithosphere means like the outer shell, the rigid outer space, and it's like the shell of an egg. Seriously, up to scale. Even though explained as the rigid outer shell of the Earth, it has many beautiful places in the world. Below the lithosphere is the asthenosphere. It is hot, vicious, and not quite so hard, but definitely hotter. To enter the mantle part, jump into the volcano. Just joking. The African plate moves 2.15 centimeters a year. It's been moving since 100 million years ago. The Antarctica plate is the fifth biggest plate in the world, moving about 1 centimeter a year towards the Atlantic Ocean.